Welcome back to the channel DMwithKarl. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add voiceover to your videos inside of Premiere Pro 2021. Adding a good, clear, crispy piece of voiceover to a video can help you so much with your audience retention on YouTube. Once we're inside of Premiere Pro, I want you to go to the clip that you want to add a voiceover to, and you'll see we've got some green grass shots here that we're going to use and a few dewdrops. So what we're going to do is head to the A1, the audio line at the bottom here, and you'll see there's a voiceover record mic at the bottom there. All you need to do is click on the voiceover record button. It's going to give you a countdown from 3 and the recording is going to start, and you can talk over the clip while it's recording. Now this grass is so green because the dewdrops in Southern Africa are so much fresher and cleaner than anyone else in the world. And when you finished your recording, you can click on that mark again and it's going to end your recording. Now we're just going to drag this line down so we can see better how our audio recording has come out. And what's really cool is while you scrub through your voiceover, you can see on the right hand side here if your voiceover is peaking at all. So you can see we do get a bit high and peak a bit at some of the points where we got a bit excited about the grass and the dewdrops. So all I like to do once I've finished recording the voiceover is select the voiceover clip and then head over to the audio tab. And let's just give it a few small tweaks that are going to make it sound a whole lot better. The first thing you need to do is tag what kind of audio this is. If it's music, a sound effect, or ambience, then you can select that. At the moment, it's a dialogue. We're giving a voiceover for this, so we're going to select that. And then head into the presets and you can have a look through these presets and see which ones you like. We like using the balanced male voice. It just gives a nice, clean, clear, crisp overview. And if you need to give it a bit of a boost, you can adjust the clip volume here. So you can see as we scrub through again, now we're between that -6 and -12 dB. Getting a few peaking near -3, but it's much, much better. That's going to be much cleaner audio for us as a finished product. Now there are 3 more things I want to show you that you can add to the edit of your audio just to increase the quality a little bit more. So we're going to head to the effects on the left hand side here, and we're going to search for parametric equalizer. And all we're going to do is grab that parametric equalizer under filter and EQ, and we're going to drop that on our audio. Now it's going to add this effect down at the bottom. You can see the parametric equalizer is here in our effects controls, and we're going to click on edit. Now there are a few things we're going to show you how to add here. It's quick and easy. So we're going to add a high pass and a low pass. Now that's just going to get rid of the higher and low frequencies that we don't want inside of our audio. So we're going to drag that across a bit. I like to have it around 20K and then the high pass around 30. And then what I like to do is boost the lower tones or the lower vocals, give them a little boost. So 1 and 2, I like to give them a little boost. And you can see as we raise those, it's going to show us here in 1 and 2 how much we've boosted. So 1 we've boosted to about 6 dB and 2 we've boosted to about 4.9. And then 3, 4, and 5, we're going to give a little boost, but not too much. 1 or 2 dB is good enough for this clip. And then what I like to do is play it back and just watch the levels and how it's coming out now. That's sounding a whole lot better. That's the first effect. Once we've finished with that, we can hit the X, and then we're going to head over to the left-hand side, back to the effects, and we're going to search for the denoise effect. This is just going to remove the background noise that we don't want in the sound. So we're going to drop that on, scroll down to denoise, and click on edit. And I want you to focus on the lower and higher frequencies, and 40%, or sometimes I like to pull it up to around 50%, and that's perfect for the denoise. And the last one we're going to add is called a hard limiter. Now a hard limiter just stops it from peaking above the frequencies that we don't like to hear. We don't want that really high pitched sound putting people off in our YouTube videos. So we're going to add that hard limiter, drop it onto the audio, and then head down to the effects controls, and we're going to edit that. Now we used to have our hard limiter at -6, but recently we've started using -3, and we actually prefer it to the -6. So we can hit -3 dB and then we can head out of it. And I want to show you what the sound sounded like before we added these effects and then after. And to do this, all you need to do is head to, so I'm going to play this audio recording back to you with all the effects turned off. And then I'm going to turn them back on so that you can see the difference that we have created. You can turn all of the effects off by hitting the FX button here. Okay, so all of those are turned off, and we're going to play the clip back to you. Now this grass is so green because the dew drops in southern Africa are so much fresher and cleaner than anyone else in the world. Okay, so that's before the effects. Let's turn all of them back on and let's see how much better it sounds. Now, while we're playing this back, I want you to watch the vocal levels and how much better we're hitting in that band where we really want to be. And we can see the beautiful fresh air breeze rolling through the green. And when we really get excited and we start peaking, you can see that hard limiter is kicking in at -3 and just compressing that audio down. Now this grass is so green because the dew drops in southern Africa are so much fresher and cleaner than anyone else in the world. Okay, so you can see those low tones in the audio are really, really nice. So a really crisp, beautiful voiceover like that makes such a difference to your YouTube videos. If you have any questions or queries about adding voiceover inside of Premiere Pro, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we're going to create tutorials like this helping you improve the edits of your YouTube videos and helping you grow your YouTube channel so that you can get the views that you deserve on your videos. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.